A great start Monday night to a busy Thanksgiving week of men's basketball as the Big 12 went 6-0 with victories over the Big 10, Pac-12, and Southeastern conferences. Kansas State advanced to the semifinals of the Maui Classic by knocking off Purdue 88-79. The Wildcats built a 15-point halftime lead and then held off the Boilermakers, who got no closer than 5 points in the second half. Sophomore Marcus Foster had 24 points for K-State. The Wildcats face number 3 Arizona tonight. Oklahoma State improved to 5-0 with a 66-53 victory over Oregon State in the MGM Grand main event in Las Vegas. The Cowboys forced 17 turnovers and limited Oregon State to 33% shooting. Oklahoma State will face in-state foe Tulsa in the championship game Wednesday night. And Iowa State got 28 points from George Niang to defeat Alabama 84-74 in the semifinals of the CBE Classic in Kansas City. The Cyclones shot 58%, and sophomore point guard Monte Morris finished with 12 assists and 0 turnovers. Iowa State takes on Maryland in the championship game tonight. Number 11 Kansas, Baylor, and TCU all posted double-digit victories. TCU improved to 4-0 with a 106-53 double-to-score victory over Mississippi Valley State. It was Coach Trent Johnson's 250th career victory and the first time the Horned Frogs scored 100 since 2009 in a game that went triple overtime. TCU is averaging 86 points a game. Last season, the Frogs averaged 63 per game. West Virginia broke into the rankings this week, number 21 in the Associated Press poll and number 24 from the coaches poll. 5 of the conference's 10 teams are ranked in the coaches poll, and in this calendar year, 8 Big 12 teams have been ranked. West Virginia coach Bob Huggins said the nice thing about being ranked is they show your highlights on SportsCenter. And coach, you also get mentioned on the Big 12 Minute. For the Big 12 Digital Network, I'm Wendell Barnhouse.